Galaxy Digital has secured a BIT license and money transmitter license from the New York State Department of Financial Services, marking a major regulatory milestone for the firm. The approval was granted to Galaxy One Prime NY, a dedicated entity established to serve New York-based clients. This achievement is significant because the BIT license is one of the most difficult to obtain state-level cryptocurrency licenses in the United States. Since its introduction in 2015, only around 40 companies have successfully obtained it. With this approval, Galaxy joins a small but influential group of firms, including Circle, Coinbase, Robinhood, and PayPal, that have cleared New York's rigorous regulatory hurdles. This license allows Galaxy to offer regulated digital asset services to institutional clients in New York, including registered investment advisors, hedge funds, and family offices. The company now adds New York to its regulatory footprint, which already includes over 50 global licenses. Institutions in the state can now access Galaxy's full suite of trading and custody services, supported by a digital asset business that manages $9 billion in. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Client assets. Galaxy's CEO, Mike Novogratz, highlighted the strategic importance of New York, noting that the state is home to the deepest pool of institutional capital in the country. He emphasized that digital assets are no longer on the periphery of investment portfolios, but are increasingly being integrated into traditional investment allocations. This shift reflects a broader trend in the financial industry, where institutional investors are becoming more comfortable with crypto as a legitimate asset class. Galaxy's expansion in New York is part of its broader strategy to deepen its presence in the U.S. institutional market. The firm is also expanding its partnerships across Wall Street and provides staking infrastructure for BlackRock's iShares Staked Ethereum Trust ETF, ETHB, further cementing its role as a core institutional crypto infrastructure provider. The New York license is a clear step toward that goal. The New York Department of Financial Services has a reputation for being one of the most stringent regulators in the crypto space. Securing a BIT license is a rigorous process that requires firms to demonstrate a high level of compliance, operational security, and risk management. Galaxy's success in obtaining the license signals its commitment to meeting these standards and could encourage other institutional investors to consider digital assets with greater confidence. This development aligns with broader industry trends where major crypto firms are increasingly seeking state-level licenses to operate in the U.S. market. Galaxy's move into New York could set a precedent for others seeking to enter the state's market, and it may also influence investor sentiment. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Toward the broader crypto market, reinforcing the idea that institutional adoption is gaining traction. The next signal to watch is whether other major crypto firms will follow Galaxy's lead and pursue BIT license approvals in New York. If more companies begin to do so, it could indicate a broader trend of increased regulatory compliance in the sector. For now, Galaxy's success in New York is a clear sign that the institutional crypto market is evolving, and that regulatory clarity is playing a key role in its growth.